Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, Deck Restoration Plus. Today I want to talk to you about demos and the way wood can come out. Sometimes a customer wants to see exactly what it will look like on their wood. So demos are a good thing. Just like in any kind of outdoor restoration and cleaning type things, people want to see demos. So here we took this nice dark cedar. It was no nice wood. It's real dark. I'm going to get an idea. They moved into the house. This is all they've seen. They did not see what the wood could look like. So we did this a couple days ago. It's dried now. And we can see we stripped and brightened the wood. We have the nice western red cedar tone to it. We can see where ivy's been growing here, which we would buff out. But we have a real nice demo here where they have the nice western red cedar tone to it. It's not bleached out. We didn't bleach it. We used a stripper. We used a brightener on this. We actually reacted with the tannins, kept a nice color. It's not fuzzed up or anything like that. So nice demo for the customer, and obviously we're going to be doing the whole house. So this is what demos do. Thanks.